Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Align Plans. And today, what are we doing today? I'm so glad you asked. Today, as the title suggests, we are going to be unboxing a box. We're going to be unboxing my latest order that came from Cute Things from Japan, and I'm so excited. And I have so many unboxing to do, but this is by far the thing that I'm like the most excited about. So without further ado, why don't we just dive right in and go through all of the goodies that I ordered from Cute Things from Japan. And if you're brand new and this is the first time that we're meeting, well, hello, my name is Meshi, and I am the person behind Align Plans. And we chat at least a couple of times a week on this channel, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning. We kind of go into planning, into minimalist planning, into journaling, and all the things. And we really kind of dive into how we can use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way so it doesn't collect dust. Okay. I know you're dying to see what came, so why don't I just get everything out of the box. First, let's talk about the wrapping paper. I absolutely love the wrapping paper. And side note, don't mind my nails. I'm still very due for a pedicure. We're going to worry about that a little bit later. But here is the wrapping paper. This is themed. I mean, even the entire box, if you kind of look at it, is themed with Eric Cute Things or Eric Small Things, and I absolutely on board with that notion. Okay, let me get everything out. But I am so stoked. I thought that this package will actually get delayed. Again, it got delayed a couple of times, so I was quite stoked when it all came through. Okay, we bumped up the lights, you have your beverage ready, boom, let's go. So I'm going to start with the easiest thing to unpack because this is kind of halfway open already. And these are the mild liners these are like the pastel colored mild liners. So I got the green, the mauvey rose color, this really beautiful beige, and this really light yellow. Well, I'm going to call it like more like skin tone. I already have swatched it. I did cheat a little bit. I did try this out yesterday because I was just so excited. But let me grab a piece of paper. And I'm trying to see if I have white so that, okay. Why don't we use this? The little memo pad from Cloth and Paper. And I will show you a close-up swatch. I love colors like this, you guys. Honestly, especially moving into the fall, even within the fall, I thought that this would actually be a lot lighter, but nevertheless, I think it's beautiful. Oof, love it. Okay, so here is a close-up. I will show you guys an actual close-up in a moment. Okay, let's start with the big guy because I already know what this is. Let's start here. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to save that one, so we just have to make peace and let it go. Okay, now these washi tapes we can absolutely save, and I'm going to do my absolute best to save all of them because then I can journal with it. Let's just set that to the side. Take a deep breath, everybody, and receive it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get you guys zoomed in. Okay, so first and foremost, I got this super duper cute washi tape. Here she is. Oh, we have the little stamp set. So I went a little crazy with Eric's small things, as you can tell. I will unpack this in a moment. Let's just get everything out of the way here. Okay, let's see what we have in this one. I swear, this is like stationary Christmas. Okay, and this is a small little Wonderlust stamp. Here we go. I have a couple of the Kita tapes. They're both the collaboration. Actually, I think I don't know why I bought two of these, but anyway. These are the Kita tapes that are in collaboration with Eric's Small Things. So of course I had to grab each of them. Here's sort of a close-up. Autumn. Oh, look how beautiful they are. These are like leaves. Oh my God, these look so good. Very cute. These are like daily note to self. And I love the little writing. Like, I think, talk about well done. And I wanted to get something from the Dolce Vita collection. So this is what we ended up with. It's still not the PET tape. I couldn't get that, but that's okay. Oh my goodness, did I buy the exact same thing like twice? I think I might have like doubled up on a couple of these things, but that's okay. My girls will absolutely love it. They both look very similar, yet unique at the same time. Okay, I believe that this will be the notebook. Very cute. So I have like the little cute things notebook. I really wanted to get something because honestly, I'm kind of actually running out of notebooks. Oh, I love it. So cute, you guys. So cute. And now I have all of these Eric Small Things, little baggies. I believe this is the booklet that kind of explains like the info behind it. Another booklet, and then some stickers. I also wanted to grab this little washi tape, not washi tape, the, oh my goodness, the sticky note, it's called the tracing paper sticky notes, and I absolutely love the way it looks. It looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness, are these all the freebies? Are you serious right now? Wow, wow. Okay, let's take a look. Super cute. Here's a little note. Fruit. Wow. Oh my goodness, how generous is this? And then we have some stargazing paper. In multiple colors. Okay, let's look at the box. This is, I believe this is the Wonderlust box that I picked. Again, a little booklet that kind of explains everything. Save the washi mesh, save the washi. Can we talk about like the craftsmanship of like how well they've done with wrapping everything? Okay, I just wanted to quickly show you before I get Noah. Here's the box. So this is a Wonderlust box. And then again, you get like a Wonderlust sticker. So you get 2 stamps. One that says good day, the other one says sketchbook. Little washi tape. Okay, let's dive into unpacking this guy. I partially unpacked it already, but let's get the box out of the way. So first you get this cute little stamp set. You also get a little washi tape. And this looks like, oh, this is so cute. So you have, these are your sticker sheets. So you get 2 sticker sheets. And you also get a cute little postcard. I mean, how cute is that? And there's also an ink pad. Looks like it's like a dark green ink pad. And there are some stickies. Very cute. Oh my gosh. These are like the most adorable. And I feel like, let me take a look. I don't know if this is set up as a sticker. I don't think it is. But you get a fair amount. Like you get like a nice little variety of like different designs that you can use for journaling. Like how cute. How cute is this? And that is what's included in the box. So this is what was included here. So obviously this haul was very dominant in Eric's small things. Let me actually, oh. I always hope that I can save these stickers, and sometimes I can do a good job with them. Other times they don't really want to cooperate. But you also get like a small little strip of washi there too, which is super cute. And let's take a look at the stamps. Oh, how cute. So adorable, you guys. I really love the fact that it comes in this box and you can just kind of keep it in its little home and keep it nice and compact. There we go. And this is basically everything. I think, well, besides a couple of the duplicates with the Kita tape, and I believe these are like the Mindwave little decors. Besides that, I think we did really good with this haul. Overall, it's everything that I was hoping to get. My hope was also to, and I think I'm going to buy more of these Mindwave stickers. I think that they look really lovely. If you have been thinking about picking up anything from Eric's Small Things, I think this is your opportunity. Their stuff is just so adorable. I absolutely adore everything here, along with, of course, all of the wrapping paper that everything came in. This is basically what I wanted to share with you guys. Stay tuned in some of my upcoming videos where we will be playing with all of the things that kind of came through, because, you know, besides just kind of unboxing everything, the real fun is when you actually get to use all the stuff. When you get to use all the stuff that kind of came through. So this is all I have for you. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe. Question of the day, of course, is tell me what, if you have ordered anything from Cute Things from Japan, and if you did, what was it? I would love to know. And that's all I got. Follow me on Instagram if you're not yet already. As per usual, I give you guys the opportunity to have your kind of questions answered in any of my upcoming videos. So I will just leave the handle right here and just keep planning, you guys. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.